Okay, this is amazing. I mean, having this kind of snow quality in May is just crazy. On the chairlift, I'm going up for the peak, and I hope the visibility gets better as we go up. It's actually cold, and I'm underdressed for this weather. See you up there. As I'm riding up in the chairlift, it has started to snow. This is amazing. I'm seeing the snow in May firsthand. This is just amazing. I think it must be raining down in Tehran. Right, I'm having issues with GoPro again. Stops recording, so I'm gonna have to record in the hero mode. Now the visibility is just a finger past, and I can't see anything. I'm gonna follow the poles. Hopefully I don't go off piste. Why the snow is like I'm riding on cotton candy. Wow, I'm in disbelief. I'm riding in this kind of snow this time of year. Okay, off piste. Uh-oh. Did you hear the eyes? The piece is actually quite unpredictable, and I think, yeah, I'm off piste and the icy bit. So I'm gonna redirect myself back towards the proper piste. Okay. So this is ice. This is clearly ice, as you can hear it. There we go. Oops. Oops. I'm actually quite confused because some bits are icy and the others are like perfect. So when I'm on the perfect side, I'm quite confident. But as soon as it gets icy, I'm turning full. It gets jumpy and bumpy. I think in general the other side is better, so I will not be attempting to go to the peak anymore just today because it's very unpredictable and a bit too icy for my taste. So I'll stick to the main route. I'm gonna head down and I'm gonna go for a cup of tea Oh, this is a good part. Oh, it's a bit bumpy, but no problem. Nothing very special. Alright, they're learning here. Yeah, it's been 6 weeks since I last went for a snowboarding session, and I still got it. It's baked into my muscles, and I gained the confidence to ride the snowboard. I'm gonna go for a tee, and I'm gonna charge my GoPro. So in the next round, I'm gonna put together a little montage of some sort. I'm gonna have to figure it out in the edit, but I think it's gonna look cool. Even if it doesn't, please just support me in the comments. Tehran, man, Tehran. This gigantic, beautiful city. Lots of surprises. I really love Tehran. For those of you who might not know me, I used to live in London and I moved back to Tehran, and I've been happy ever since. Nothing against London, but you know, I just love Tehran so much. Well, see you in the next round. I'm gonna go in for a cup of tea. Peace. This beautiful day. It's just snowing as I'm walking towards the hotel to have my cup of tea. I'm so happy that I came today. It's really nice. It's chilly. It's just like the winter's back. So let's go inside. How it is. Okay. This is a bit of boards. This is cool. Nice and warm in here. Let's go get a tea. The lens is fogging up. Oh, I'm actually inside the coffee house. The coffee house is nice. It's anything that you expect from a resort coffee house. It has this mountainous vibe to it. Really nice and cozy. So actually the GoPro's charging, and I'm gonna head up after having my tea. I'm gonna head up and create that montage I was talking about. So see you up there then. Look how straight it is. Now the sun's out. It's just like a dream now. Crazy already. And I was hoping for some bull spots. And I was expecting some bull spots, but nothing. It's all white. It's just beautiful. Right, I got carried away, that's for sure. Well, I'm not quite confident, but I think that this is gonna be my last run of the day and also the last run of the season. I don't know if I get tempted to come here again and ski, or I'll just call the season off and start other things. I'm not quite sure, but one thing's for sure, this run's going to be my last run of the day. So let's get it done. Look at that chunk of cloud. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Everything is just like a movie. It's just like I'm dreaming right now. Thank God I came today. I'm very happy. See you in the next.